Merry Christmas from CaptainFishbeard.com. Here's something really simple I want to show you. You can do it in pen so you can see it easier, but you can do it in pencil to start with. That's a triangle. It doesn't have to be a perfect triangle, but it's a triangle nonetheless. If you then take a line upward from that triangle, and it can be from the corner, doesn't have to be, straight up from there as well. Again, you can bend these around if you want to. They don't have to be straight lines at all. You can see what I'm doing already, can't you? It's two Y's, it's kind of symmetrical at the moment already. A circle there, a circle there. We do everything with shapes, don't we? You can see what's happening here already. What's it going to be? It is the simplest way to draw a reindeer. It's already there, isn't it? And you can draw its body if you want to. You can draw it standing up, which is more fun. Then once you get onto a more advanced stage, maybe, you can start with a head that goes a bit more like that. It's still got the triangular shape, but you've just rounded all the edges. And then when you're putting these up, you're just going to anticipate you're going to have these bits coming off. So what you're going to do is pull those out there. One there. One there. It doesn't matter where they go, they're completely random on all reindeer. So they're all good, and then you can put your nose a little bit higher up on this one if you want to, because I'll just do a few little ears in there as well, because then we can put a little mouth in as well. So that's not bad, is it? That's a pretty decent reindeer, and a very simple technique to get your pictures done. So hope you like that one. Have a wonderful Christmas. I'll see you in the new year.